So I want to start by briefly talking about the typical structure of our lessons. Generally, the classes that we're teaching are between 45 and 75 minutes in length, and we generally recommend 3 to 4 class sessions per project. That first class session is going to be an opportunity to introduce the project, talk about those learning outcomes that Kay mentioned, sand and prep your pieces, label parts, just begin to familiarize yourself with the project to prepare to build. The second class will be a build class where you're actually assembling the project. Sometimes, for example, like our LED light frame, that might take 2 classes, but that's always going to begin in the second or third class. After that, you'll begin the decoration phase where students will plan decoration, maybe lay a base coat of paint, and prepare for the final class where they can do detail or prepare for a game or activity. None of these projects that we're learning here today are going to incorporate an activity, but we do have some interactive projects that you may learn in the future.